Little update on this channel. A few people have been commenting saying, where's this channel actually going? I don't know, it's taken a few turns, haven't it? You know, we started this channel off and it was aimed towards more the auto, or shall I say the petrol heads, isn't it, you know? So we was doing lots of quad videos, trials bike riding, 4x4 off-roading, stuff like that. And that channel, you know, well, it's still the same channel, we was doing really well. Some of the videos on here have got almost 1 million views. And then from doing the auto stuff, I got involved with professional boxing on the Welsh scene. So I started going out travelling, doing interviews, videography and stuff like that, just trying to promote Welsh boxing. And now recently I've got back into more lifestyle, how to kind of van life videos. So yeah, it's taken a turn, but it's more of, it's going to be now more following my life and my lifestyle. You know, I'll still, if I come across the opportunity to film any quads, bikes, you know, motocross, fast cars, anything like that, or if somebody wants me to do a video with them, an interview on the professional boxing scene, I'll still do stuff like that. But really now I'm going to start aiming this more towards a bit more vlogging, and you know, I'm going to take the camera up more, doing a few walks, more photography based stuff like that. So yeah, it's taken you know, it has taken a few different turns. You know, it's done well as a channel. It's got 3,500 subscribers, and you know, I know lots of you will be interested in different things, but you know, stick with me and I'm going to keep on updating and putting more stuff on. So that's where we're going as a channel. Like I said, now we're going to be doing more van life stuff, and we're in the van now. One of the things I wanted to talk about, when I was building this van, I come to putting in the TV and fitting the TV bracket. So my daughter, she had a new TV, and you know, too big for the new bracket, or the old bracket should say, and I had the old bracket. So I fitted the bracket, put it on the side of the van, make sure it was square, make sure it was level, fitted to the van. Put the TV on the bracket, fits perfect, nice and level, nice and square. But it was one of these TVs that was on an arm, so you could pull it out. So whether I was sitting outside the van or sitting over that side of the van, I could move it on the arm. That was the idea. But what I noticed, when I was moving the TV out further from the wall of where it was fitted, it was going from level to running out to being off level. Couldn't get my head round why, but then I noticed what it is. It's because obviously the wall of the van is not square like in the house. It's at an angle, it's tapered down. So when the TV's in close and you fitted it level, and you know, as you first fitted it, that's fine. But as you're moving it out, because the van's at an angle, the TV was twisting. So the only solution for that was either buy a TV bracket on an arm with a swivel plate, or make a swivel plate for the TV bracket I had. So that's what I ended up doing. I didn't film doing that bracket, but I can show you that bracket now in the swivel, and if anybody wants me to show them how I actually made it, I don't mind stripping it all back down and making, you know, showing you how I made it, because I'm sure there's loads of you who've actually had this problem yourselves. Put the TV on, it looks great, and if it's on an arm, you pull it out, and the further it comes away from the wall, the more it goes off centre, or goes off level. So that's it really, guys. Just a little update on where we're going with the channel. And so like I said, we're going to be going down the more photography and van life stuff, and obviously a bit of travel when we're allowed to travel. But that's basically it. You know, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for being a dedicated member. Appreciate the feedback. There's been a few Other channels lately been giving me a shout out on their channel and stuff like that, which is great. You know, it's nice that we're a community based channel and we're all doing the same thing and helping and inspiring each other. So that's basically it. Big thank you, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.